Welcome back to the French Connector. Today we visit another factory, cleaning product this time. I'm sure we will find some very interesting product for e-commerce. I'm meeting with the owner right now.
Hello.
你好
Hello.
你好吗？好，带我们去看看你的 showroom。好 So we are going to visit the showroom first, see the products, see the company, and then we'll see if we can find some interesting stuff to sell online. Welcome to Cleaning Paradise. 这样子吗？
Yes.
Okay, and there is pins.
Yeah, for hair.
So, and it's very strong. Can I try it?
Okay. No problem. No problem.
没问题。
No, 没问题。Okay.
I'm very heavy.
Please. No problem.
Oh my God. I mean, I'm big. This is very strong. So once again, for e-commerce, I think that could be a killer. Because it's lightweight. It's actually helping you cleaning your house. It's super good quality. It's super strong, durable. Yeah, I like this product. We're gonna have a look at other products. So this is rubber.
Have a
What is the material?
600
Silicone. Most of the mops don't have these small pins here that you can just like brush your floor with it. And this actually, it's really cleaning deeply your flooring. So, I mean, that's the innovation. Like nothing amazing. Once again, it's simple change in a product can make it more efficient. Simple change in a product can make the product become a killer, an online seller killer. And I'm sure it's super cheap too. I mean, cheap to manufacture, not cheap quality. Then you take all the excess all together and it's completely clean. Yeah, and it's completely dry as well. There is no water on the floor. It's pretty good.
Okay, sir.
All his products, as I can see, have usually two sides, in the heads, two functions. Always washing deeply the floor by brushing it, and then the other side is always about removing the excess of water. And it's actually very interesting.
Yes.
真的吗?
Yes.
Wow, so for this big guy right here, the package is only this size. Once again, perfect for e-commerce. That's actually what we want to see, because you are going to be saving cost on the shipping. I like it. So that's the product I selected, but don't hesitate to tell me in the comments what do you think about this product. So what is really interesting is that cleaning is always a necessity. And there is a lot of very viral videos online, TikTok, on different platforms about cleaning product. It's always working because it's satisfying. So you can buzz with this product and make tons of money. Factory time! Injection machines are always almost fully automatic. Few people working just to, disassemble, cut the excess of material, and that's it. So you see, in a big ass factory like this, you have like only few workers, and mostly it's machines have more than 100 molds. Then, I mean, each mold can go from 1,000 to 10,000 US dollars. So. That tanks right there, they are filled with this. This is the plastic. That's what makes your product, and that's what you want to check. The actual raw materials. You have to check if it's good quality. They get in these big tanks and all the way through the pipes, getting into the injection machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. 25.
Yes.
25 injection machines. 一个是多少钱
2到30万。
30万。
2到30万。
So it's about like 300,000 US dollar per machine. Imagine the investment. Imagine how many pieces they can make every single day. After injection, assembly line. You have this small conveyor. This one is quite clean. I like to see that kind of factories. They're very serious. You know, sometimes you have to get your hands dirty. Oh, 明白了。Want to make customization cheap and cost efficient? You can always use the laser machine. Okay, we got a crazy machine right there. I don't know what is that, but it's scary. I mean, I don't want to get close to that shit. That thing right there is creating an earthquake. I mean, it's scary. I don't like to stay too close to this kind of machines. These girls are braver than me. If you want to understand how manufacturing really works, you have to do it yourself, right? Okay. 所以有多少个颜色？
没关系，你就乱配的，你要配多长时间？
但是我要看啊，10个吧。So you always have in stock about 800,000 US dollar.
800, yeah, yes.
Almost $1 million worth of stock. That's a lot of product.
It's like in Taizhou, and they have their own machine, and the owner is really focusing on the product development and the production control and qualities. And see, they have so many stocks, can support distributors to support with them. So I think they are pretty good. Yeah.
Time to sit with the boss and talk numbers. We're gonna know how much you're gonna make out of this product. What did I tell you about China? Tea table everywhere. Boss offices always have tea table. He is already trying to bribe me. He's putting money on the table, you know, so we can have like better negotiations and like I'm talking good stuff about his products. 不是我的吗？不是我的吗？ So top new product not on the market yet. We are gonna talk numbers. 好，谢谢。
Thank you.
MOQ time. 这个是多少 MOQ？
What color?
一样的颜色，一样的颜色。
500就可以。
500 pieces。但是如果我要换 logo、换包装，要多少个？
包装就1000个了。
1000个。
One sauce。
但是我可以买那个包装1000个，但是那个东西500个，对吧
？Okay.
So guys, if you want to buy this product, the minimum order quantity is simple. 500 pieces for the product, but if you want your custom logo on the packaging, it's 1000 pieces. But what you can do is buy 1000 pieces of the packaging, right? Keep the 500 remaining and buy 500 pieces of the product, so you save money. Like plus custom made packaging, it's less than 2.5 US dollar. I'm telling you, that's crazy stuff. Something you can sell for more than 20 US dollars, less than 2.5 US dollar, 10 times the cost. All right, another product that I selected. 这个呀，大概多少钱
？23到25左右，包装可能也3-4块钱吧，4块钱左右。
All right, guys, for the product plus the packaging for this, you would have to pay a little bit less than 4.5 US dollar, which is a bargain. This kind of product right there, you sell it for more than 30 US dollars. That's profit. All right, next product.
产品大概在26左右。
A little bit less than 4.5 US dollar. If you want the exact price and a quotation, contact us. But man, once again, this kind of product, you're selling it for more than 30 US dollar on the market, which is almost 10 times the cost. That's profit. And if you want to change the color of the product, of the actual product, you need to raise up a little bit the MOQ to 1000 pieces. But for this price, I mean, anybody can do it. Anybody can start with 4.5 thousand US dollar for their product in the e-commerce. Great factory, great product, and great opportunities. You know, sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty. That was the French Connector. Stay connected.